Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt in the Storm Warning Center, getting ready to say so long to summer 2014. Today's a final full day of summer. Tomorrow, fall rolls in tomorrow night, and it looks like we're going to have the cooler weather to go along with the arrival of fall. We are tracking a cold front. It is working its way into Alabama this evening, and there are a few isolated downpours and even a few storms associated with this front. You can see on Viper we're tracking some of this. There's a storm over southern Tennessee, and the nearest storm is right there outside of Tupelo. It's moving southeast, just a couple of strikes detected with that. So northern Lamar County, if you're watching us there around Brilliant, Sullivan, you may have some rainfall out of this. Also looks like a bit of development there in northern Winston County, but you get the picture here. This stuff is really spotty in nature, very isolated. But having said that, some of this wet weather could linger into tonight. Our latest futurecast still suggests a chance of rain overnight, but very small. 9 o'clock, you can see just some spotty returns possible there. 9 o'clock, 77 in Birmingham. And even as we go through the early morning, there's 1 a.m. During that stretch, 1 o'clock in the morning to 4 in the morning. If we see anything, greater chance of a rumble of thunder in our far south, maybe southwestern areas. You can see here as we go through 4 o'clock in the morning, this would suggest maybe a chance of rain to the south. But as we wake up tomorrow morning, much cooler to the north, maybe some of those low clouds lingering, but those will give way to sunshine. And it looks like a beautiful day out there tomorrow into the afternoon. Look at those 70-degree temperatures out there. Our max temperatures tomorrow, we're going with 81 degrees. Even though our model here shows 78 in Birmingham, I still think we may squeeze out a high of 81 during the afternoon. But overall, the really cool weather settles in here early Tuesday, early Wednesday morning. Check this out, 7:30 in the morning. We're talking about some 50s and even 40s not too far away. This would even suggest that far north Alabama, early Tuesday morning, once the things really calm down, wind settle, some of those outlying areas could easily see some upper 40s. So some of the coolest weather we've seen in a while on the way here over the next few mornings. And checking out the current conditions, one thing I want you to note here, dew point down to 61. It is still rather dry, not a moisture-rich air mass that's in place. So the showers, this will be one of the things that really keeps that wet weather limited through the overnight. As we check out tomorrow morning, some upper 50s possible to the north, 65 in Tuscaloosa, Talladega, Anniston, right there around 63. And here's a look at our Monday forecast. Again, morning clouds, maybe a stray shower to the south, giving way to sunshine during the afternoon. North wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Hey, if you have questions about the forecast, you can find me on Facebook, Wes Wyatt Fox 6, or on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather. Tonight, beginning at 9 o'clock in that 7-day forecast, we're going to be talking about how this setup's going to change later in the week. It could be a bit stormy over the weekend. I'll have more details on that. Be sure to join us beginning at 9 o'clock on Fox 6.